pandemic has spread faster than any other phenomena in human history, with nationwide quarantines in effect for the entire U.S. population. About 80%, not to mention Canada, Europe, and much of Asia. Now, it is still unsafe to leave your homes at night. Many are infected and the contagion is spreading rapidly.
Alright, so it's day 3 in quarantine and I already got water all over my camera. It's pouring rain down here in San Diego. Right now we're gonna go to LA to go pick up some claddings for the clone. And I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I'll show you the chaos in LA. Right now I'm in San Diego and we'll see how it is traffic wise and we'll see how it is over there.
Tap when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Saying vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. In line with the loose leaf, then I proofread till I lose
OEM.
Put a hand on the truth when you bid with the right. Love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound right for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, coulda kick it. I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of they put a fine behind it. While it's vicious behind the eyelid. Telegraph this with the clauses. Careful with the cause me. Need it forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. They cook the auction, they false print. Always.
Alright, we're back. So, we're back in San Diego. I mean, as you can see, the weather's pretty nice outside. Alright, so I haven't really been posting much about the truck. I haven't really moved it, but this is what I got. Alright, this is what I got. So it's raining. So you won't be able to see it too much, but this is what I got. Alright, got the original OEM SS Claddings. I got 12 pieces of them. I know they're 14. I know they're 14 pieces. So check that out. OEM cladding. Okay, so I just came back from LA. These are the rear panels. These are for the back of the bed. It's both the left and the right side. They're OEM. They're close to my truck color, but they're not quite it. But they're OEM, as you can see. Now, I got these rear things. These rear pillars, and these came with the brackets. But everything else didn't come with brackets. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I can do. Either mock some up or find someone selling some OEM brackets. Has like a dent. I feel like I got 12 pieces when I got it. I feel like the front two were in the accident and that's why that's messed up, but other than that, it's just a couple little you know, scratches here and there. And this is the parts I've been having for a while. So I'm thinking these could go here, and it's some other parts that other cladings. It's just a couple cladings that I had already laying around collecting dust. But I'm thinking I can do that. It'll be black in the front, but it has the door cladings. When I bought the bumper, the front bumper, I got some cladings and some were fucked up. This one was all smushed. I had this one was pretty good, it's just scratched up. And I had both sides, but when I installed it, I didn't install it right, and one of them fell. So I only have one of the black ones, but now I have the two. And then the guy gave me these, but they are fiberglass. They're no good. I mean, yeah, I guess you could use them, but why use them when I already got the OEM ones? The OEM ones are plastic. It has the brackets on them already. And it's a little dented right here. Like I said, I think it was in a crash. But it has all the original numbers. The brackets. So I just need to find some brackets for the rest of the cladings. But other than that, it's complete. Oh, and I have the tailgate clading already. And then this has a little pinch right here, a little bump, small stuff that you can fix, you know. And well, one thing that I know for a fact, so I'll put this one, okay. So let's take this over here. So this one fits here, right? Let's see how it looks lower. Okay. It would fit perfectly on the short bed. The only issue I will have is installing this onto the short bed. Some Pacificos. Alright. So as you can see, it's a lot bigger, so I would need to cut that out. Somehow I would have to plastic weld it, cut it, plastic weld it, and shape it. Alright, so you saw the cladings that I got, and you saw kind of what my direction is. I gotta give a huge shout out to Angel. Check out his channel. He's the one that found the SS Claddings on OfferUp, man, for a steal. And I'll put the link to his channel in the description below. Here's a little clip.
Money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems, I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the